Alright, what is with it? Got the new fidget. Just opened about 5 minutes ago. I'm trying to see what we can do it on our toe in the first 3 tries. Let's see what we can do. Try number 1. Try number 1. Oh, we can get on try number 1. Try number 2. Try number 2. We got it. We're gonna go to this until about a minute. I don't want to talk about it. See? And 3. Alright. So we did that one. Now we're gonna try the pinky. The pinky is kind of hard. And on the pinky, first try. Got it. Got it. Gonna go for this to about 140. See if we can hit it to 140. Can we hit it to 140? About 5 more seconds. Come on. 2 more seconds. Take it with the 40. Alright, next one. On the forehead. Let's hit it. That's what you want me to do. Well, didn't work out. We're not doing that no more. No, we can actually just play around with it. Like, look at that. Man, you compare this. Alright, thanks guys. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Look up Elijah Betts. Goodbye.